Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It definitely helps other people know when I post videos. And again, I'd like to say thank you to all those new subscribers that recently joined the channel. And here at Ron's Keto Cafe, I talk about my weight loss journey, the tricks and tips, and my downfalls and uphill battle climbs, and posting recipes and all kinds of good stuff. So right now I'm currently on week 142 of my weight loss journey, and to date, since the beginning of January, I've taken off of 2020, I've taken off 147 pounds. So I definitely know what I'm doing, and I definitely know what I'm talking about. But again, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all a personal journey that I've done my extended homework and gotten cleared up with my doctor first. So, be that as it may, all that said and done, today we're going to be making with Keto Cooking with Ron, in the kitchen with Ron, as you would say. Today we're going to be making a stir fry, and we're going to be making a steak stir fry. So I got this first cut steak at Market Basket, and it was 2 huge pieces, and I had them cut it up, thin enough to make a stir fry. And this is one of our absolutely favorite cuts of steak, and I got this for $11.30, and it's about a pound. It is a pound. And also we're going to do broccoli stir fry. Now you can use fresh broccoli, but I decided to get this instead, the broccoli cuts, and we're going to use this whole entire bag, and because we want to save time to cook this up. So once we get that all cooked up, we're going to put it in a skillet with a little bit of avocado oil or olive oil, whatever you have on hand. We'll season it really well, and put in some soy sauce and salt and pepper and some other stuff. And anyways, this recipe comes to you from Low-Carb Revelation, I believe, with Jennifer Band, and I'll have her contact link and where you got the recipe from below the video. Now I didn't create the original recipe, so I'm not going to put the instructions over the timeline. If you just follow me along, you should be fine. And then we'll come back and do a taste test, and we'll just get right to the recipe. So again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's just go right into the video. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. Well, today we just got done making the Easy Keto Beef and Broccoli by Jennifer Ban from Low-Carb Recipes with Jennifer. And this is what we made, and can't wait to try it. So what I did was I got some first cut steak at the store today, and then I had them slice it up really paper thin. Put a little bit of avocado oil, and then I got that pan going really hot. Fried up the steak on both sides and all the way around till it was well done. Popped it off the pan, salt, peppered it, and everything, of course, with seasoning to taste. Put it in a bowl. Then I bought a bag of frozen broccoli cuts, and then I put the in the microwave and steamed them. They were steamed vegetables. 4 minutes. Popped them out of the microwave and put it into the pan. Got it coated really well with the coating from the steak. And then I added about a cup of soy sauce, a little bit of garlic powder. Now she said you could add some ginger or ginger root, which we didn't have. And then I added some chicken stock because I didn't have any beef broth on hand. So, and then I also did some xanthan gum to thicken the sauce. My only regret was I should have put a little more sauce in it because I would have liked a little more saucy than it was. But I haven't had it yet, and I'm just curious how it tastes, how it's going to taste. And if it liked it, I'll make it again. Now I got enough left over. I mean, I love broccoli. Look at how nice and dark the broccoli is. Broccoli is real well seasoned. It's really, really good. Look at that for the steak, guys, huh? That make your mouth watering? So I'm having a moment. This is so good. But let me know if you've been made this before and if you got any suggestions for me. But I really love this. This is definitely a winner. So I have enough left over for another day. And this is a great keto meal, low carb. It's got the vegetable, broccoli you can have fine. Fresh is always better, but I don't want fresh today. And I got the steak. Now the steak, I got the whole steak. Last time I went to the store, they didn't have any of my favorite cut steak, so they had this today. So I picked up 2 packages. In one package, I had to cut it up to my specifications, and they were great at Market Basket, and I'm sure they do that at all the other stores as well. And then, and then they fried it up, and that's. But yeah, I'm really happy how this came out. Look at that. Doesn't that look good, guys? The steak is very flavorful and very juicy and fork tender, and it's definitely a winner. So thank you very much, Jennifer Ban, for putting that recipe out, and make sure I'll put your contact link in this recipe below the video. Again, I'm not going to have the directions over the timeline anymore. I didn't create the recipe. The link will be in the show more. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have an amazing day. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay vigilant. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have a great day.